Hi guys, and welcome to the 36th video in this video diary series where I share my first startup journey. I have a new hairdo. So today morning, a friend of mine came over to my place and helped me do my hair. And while she was doing my hair, I was attending my lectures and multitasking. So that was awesome. Um, Project wise, it's going on okay, I guess. So yesterday I was actually complaining to a friend of mine. I was just saying like things that are stressful about the whole project, and then I was complaining. You know how you feel like your list is a lot. You feel like you have a long list of things to complain about, and then you start talking and you realize that you have just one thing to complain about, and most of the other things are going on well, and you're like, do I really need to be complaining right now? Yeah, I would definitely had a gratitude check there. So most things are going on well. I'm still finding some challenges with the whole company registration thing, but I think what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to persistently look for somebody who can take charge of this, and I pay them for it because the process is not a short process. I thought I could do it by myself, but the only days when I don't have classes in the morning is a Monday, and there are a lot of things to do which maybe might take 2 or 3 days. It means if I have just Mondays to spare, it means it might take 3 weeks to register something that might have just taken 3 days in a week. So I definitely have to look for somebody who's going to help me with that task. In the data entry phase, yeah, a friend of mine, like I said, she is taking charge of that, and we had some back and forth conversation this morning, just letting her know how we're going to structure the work. Because she's working from her house and I'm right here, so we're just touching base on how we're going to structure that. Yesterday, was it yesterday, I went to give her the laptop. So I told you guys I went to give her the laptop, so I went to give her the laptop, and we had a lot we had an extensive conversation. I think I initially mentioned that her husband is a principal, so we are really hoping on getting a lot of content from him for the data entry phase. And so we had a lot of conversations, and I was asking her, can he get this, can he get this, and she was like, yeah, she'll ask him. And then she sent me a message saying, yeah, he said he can get this, he can get that, he can get all that. And we're being optimistic about that. We're being really optimistic about that. So if he's able to get all of those things, it's really going to help us a lot. It's going to be a lot of data, which is really going to step up the service which we're going to offer. So basically that is it on my end. Today I did my hair, attended lectures, did some catch up to those lecture which I missed, did some catch up there. I have to do an assignment which I've not yet done, and then I also succeeded to make some significant progress in the coding direction. So everything is going well so far. Everything is going well. So yeah. Oh, one thing I didn't update you guys on. So my business partner bought our domain names, so we got like 3 different domain names. So it's so we are thinking of doing, there are 2 startups which we are thinking of doing, but we decided to focus on one. But we just got the domain name for the other one, and then this domain name for this specific startup, there was a name which was very similar to our domain name, so we just decided to get it and basically redirect users to our page in case that's what they spell. So yeah, okay, as she was getting the domain name, because we used her card was hacked. Her card was hacked, so her bank called and said there were some transactions which were made, and asked her if she recognized them, and she didn't recognize them, so she had to cancel those transactions. In fact, they blocked the whole card, so they need to send her a new card now. And so going forward, we are definitely going to be using PayPal. Yeah, long story short, going forward, we're going to be using PayPal for all online payments. It's really going to help with the whole hacking or theft scenario. Okay, guys, so that's it. That's all for the updates I have to share. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'm ready to answer. Thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up if you found any value in this content, and let me know what you think of my hairdo. And subscribe and hit the notification button. Bye, guys.